Hello again. Beach story, Fidgety Fish. Those of you who had me in the yellow room might remember this, Fidgety Fish. All right, it was written and illustrated by Ruth Galloway. Fidgety Fish. That sounds like you guys when you're sitting in a circle. Fidgety, fidgety, fidgety. Tiddler was always fidgeting. He wriggled and squiggled. He darted and giggled until his mom got fed up with him. Go out into the sea and swim till you're tired, but watch out for the big fish, she said. So Tiddler swam out of his cave. He dived and he flipped. He leapt and he dipped. He sped faster than a rocket and glided gently like a swan, letting the sea currents fan his fins. But he still did not feel tired. There were limpets that clung and jellyfish that stung. Tiddler swam on towards the big red starfish. And butted it gently with his nose. The starfish just smiled. So Tiddler asked the clickety-clackety crab to play, but it scuttled off into the seaweed. Tiddler came to a big dark cave. It looked much more exciting than his cave back home, and Tiddler swam in. I don't know if I'd want to go in there. Snap! Tiddler was trapped inside the big fish. He trembled and shivered. He shook and he quivered. Until the big fish's tummy began to feel very funny indeed. It rumbled and grumbled. It turned, it tumbled. It fluttered and groaned and mumbled and moaned. Suddenly, the big fish did an enormous burp. And swoosh! Out shot Tiddler. Past the jellyfish and the clickety-clackety crab hiding in the weeds, past the starfish, and straight through his own front door. I hope you used up all of that energy, said his mom. But she would have to wait until the morning to hear about his adventures because Tiddler was already fast asleep. That looks like a fun place to live. Looks like he lives in a bunch of gumdrops. Fidgety Fish, the end. So I bet your mom and dad tells you to go outside and run off some energy so you're tired and not bothering her all day. So why don't you go do that now?